Okay, with reference to the weddings web page, I'm going to show you how you can update all elements of the web page in the admin portal. So firstly, if we look at the weddings web page, we have here a heading for the page. We have a text area down the left. We have an image, which can also be a video. We have some small bold text underneath the image. We then have an area here that can be a caption or a quote. There's then an area here which you can include links, which can be links to other web pages, websites, or links to download PDFs. You can then have further text in this second column here, and over on the right hand side there can also be an inquiry form which relates to the content of the page. So if we now go over to the admin portal and we want to update this web page, we would go to the website menu, go down to web pages, and we would select the page weddings. That brings up this form, and if you remember just a second ago, there's the title, there's the text in that first left hand column, there's the text in the right hand column below the image, there is the small bold text below the image. Here is the text that was our quote with the yellow background. Then down here, the image that we displayed, we selected from this lookup list of available images. If we wanted to show a video, then we would paste in the video reference from YouTube here, and we would unselect image and click show video, and then a video would appear in place of an image. The next three fields are to do with the hidden meta tags, which generally speaking will be pretty similar to the heading of the web page, but in particular the meta description, you can embellish that and make that more descriptive. So updating the content in those fields there and then clicking the submit button will immediately update the content of the weddings web page. One thing I want to show you is using the special icons here for a text field. If you are setting out your text initially in Word, then what you need to do is when you copy the text from Word and you go back to the form here, rather than pasting it straight into the field, you'll notice there's an icon here that says paste from Word. If you click on that icon, then that content will be pasted in there, and using that facility it purges all the hidden tags that otherwise would be pasted in from Word. So that's quite important. When you click back here, if you want to put paragraphs in, then you can simply do that by just inserting the pointer there and returning on the return key. Okay, so, and there are other icons here that will allow you to turn text bold. For example, I want to turn that text bold, or if I want to add a hyperlink, I simply highlight the anchor text there click on the hyperlink icon, and then I can put in the URL that I want to link to. And that has now changed that to a hyperlink. And if I click on the source button, we can see that code there. Just going back to that hyperlink, one thing I should have mentioned was the target. Generally speaking, it's a good idea to select new window blank, so that when somebody clicks on that link, they don't go away from your website, they simply open up a new window. Okay, so that's a quick overview of how you can update your existing web pages. I mentioned links a little bit earlier. The links are here, for example. Please see the other help video on how you create the links.